In the heart of Croatia, where the rugged mountains meet the endless expanse of the Adriatic Sea, there lies a hidden gem that few have truly explored. Welcome to Biokovo, a world where nature reigns supreme, towering cliffs guard ancient secrets, and the wind carries whispers of century past. Join me on the journey through breathtaking heights and wild wilderness, where every step reveals another layer of this majestic mountain range. From sweeping coastal vistas to the untouched tranquility of mountain trails, Biokovo isn't just a destination, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. Let's dive into the wonders of Croatia's wild side and discover that makes Biokovo an unforgettable experience for the soul.
Here we are in front of the National Park Biokovo, and we are going to check out the Skywalk.
Biokovo, we are at 6 o'clock in the morning on the mountain to see the Skywalk on Biokovo. They just opened the Skywalk at 6 o'clock, and that's when we find the tickets. And then we go to see the view. No drones. Not come when the park is closed. Ooh, we're gonna see the sunrise from there. Wow. So down here is no Makarska, it's what's the name of the city? It's Tučepi. Over there is Makarska, where is the cats on the corner with like the lighthouse, and then the island is the island of
Hvar, there is the place we are looking at it, little city, it's called Jelsa.
Yeah, and we've been here, we've been there the last time, we're not going this time.
That was 2017.
Yes. And we went to Bol, which is on the end of that island, I believe.
That very famous beach that with the currency, it looks like a fishtail.
And we do recommend that boat tour is very nice. It's 9 hours and it costs 50 euros. And they take you to Jelsa, to the old city. And they take you to the beach in Bol for 3.5 hours. And you have lunch and donuts and drink on the boat. Look at the view from the Skywalk. come here on the Skywalk was a different tours. One tour was $35, one tour was $50, and we actually drove here. Mirsada drove with the automatic steamship car to make me dizzy. But it's only 8 euros if you come with your own car.
Yes, it's 8 euros per person if you come with your own car. So
versus $35, they just bring you here.
And not
so if you have a car, it's better to drive here than take their tours. She is asking how we're gonna get back, if it's the same way or different. So here's the map of Biokovo Mountain, and they said due to its unique geomorphology, exquisite biodiversity and natural landscape beauties, Biokovo was proclaimed a nature park in 1981. I do not like to see the sign of the snakes. Hiking in the morning is a viewpoint. They're building here a house or something. They have table for lunch, but nothing else.
Yeah, it was the sign is actually showing that this is one of the highest viewpoints, but basically we came here, there is just a picnic tree.
So do not make a
left turn.
left turn for 850 meters to come here for nothing.
I mean, if you want to have a lunch and have a nice picnic, they have really nice table. It's right in the woods.
It smells nice.
So nice.
We find the horse. Oh, it's so cute. In the mountain, they even have a souvenir store here. Souvenir. They always sell what I'm here. Great experience here. Let's go down the mountain. And we have no food.
We didn't have any food, I'm sorry.
Are you scared of him?
I mean, I don't know. I didn't have nothing to give it to him.
If this horse is coming to me, I have to go. This is how it's supposed to look when it's not people here, when it's not busy, because it's beautiful sunny day. It's so pretty, and look at the water. So many shades of green. I'm going too fast. A lot of spaces on the shade. This tower was built in 1884. Here used to be a lot of cats, wild cats, no chairs, no bench, no restaurants, very wild. And now it becomes so more touristic. People put their locks, the love locks over here too. So they lock it and they throw the key on the Adriatic Sea. So now their love stay here forever and ever. Unless they go deep down on the sea to pick up the key to unlock their lock. So many. So many locks. And here we are next to the statue. This is one of the symbols you can see from downtown Makarska. We are right next to it. So here is the statue. And here's the marina. And the big boats already left for ball. This is the St. Peter Monument, and it's from 2009. Pigeons, they're cute. Ben called them flying rats.
What flying rats?
There's so many over here, but they destroy our roof, so Ben doesn't like them, but I do.
You know,
So that is the statue we just came down from, up there on the hill, and the lighthouse. So here is the main square. Here's the main square during the day when it's very sunny.
You want to go this way instead of stairs?
Yes, I want to go that way. And I want to go in the church. And I'm going to take you with me. Price here, they tell you it's 0.5 euros. 0.5. Just another day on the office here in Makarska. Such a beautiful sunny day, very busy still, packed on the beach, but I don't blame the people. It's worth it. It's very nice. We can do a lot of activities. We still didn't rent the car yet. The green one, it's $20 per hour. 20 euros, sorry, 20 euros per hour, and I want to do that if we'll have fun, if I don't stay too long in the water.
Okay folks, here we are. Makarska coast.
Okay.
Very crowded, but I guess everybody is enjoying it.
No complaining.
No complaining.
We're
Here is
enjoying.
a Chris.
We're enjoying, but let me go. I'm floating here. I'm floating in the 100 degrees weather outside, and the water is probably, what do you think, 18?
50s. It's pretty warm. It's nice. It's really relaxing. Perfect temperature. Oh, banana boat.
Or you can just stay here and relax. I'm enjoying the water here and the Adriatic Sea. Playing with the water, not swimming yet.
Yeah, much better than being on the coast. On the coast, it's 1,000,001 person enjoying the life. It's very, very crowded, but I guess we all love to enjoy. But the Chris find a solution. She is
far away from the people.
Yes, floating and enjoying.
And
some
we're gonna go
sunbathing.
We're gonna go with the cars later.
Alright, here we are. I think the parasailing sounds better than driving this.